It's an Amaretto sour, but I'm jazzing this up a little bit, so I'm gonna call it the Jazz Hands cocktail. Just made that dumb name up right now. So basically we're starting out with some Amaretto, which is a sweet Italian liqueur. It kind of has like an almond flavor to it, although sometimes they won't make it with almonds, they'll make it with apricot kernels, which is like the seeds of apricot, and they'll roast them or something, and it tastes very almondy. So an Amaretto sour is typically sour mix, just use fresh lemon or lime juice and simple syrup, and that's like the best sour mix you'll ever need. An Amaretto. So I'm jazzing this up by adding a little bourbon in there, just because Amaretto is pretty sweet, so I want a little something to fight back against that sweetness. This is our friends at Bootlegger. This is their bourbon. Then, of course, since it is a sour, you have to add some, I'm using fresh lemon juice. And I'm just going to use a little bit of simple syrup, maybe just like a bar spoon or two, because, as I said, the Amaretto is already pretty sweet. And simple syrup, once again, it's half sugar, half water. Heat it up until the sugar melts, then you can keep it in the fridge in a squeezy bear or a squeezy bottle or something squeezy. Now, another way I'm jazzing this up is I'm going to add egg white. You don't have to add this if you're a vegetarian or a vegan or you're just afraid of raw egg whites. Don't add it. You could substitute aquafaba, which is chickpea water. Same exact thing. It'll basically, the idea is to froth up the drink. Just to, I don't know, sometimes it's kind of fun to have a frothy drink. Especially drinks that are already a little bit sweet. So this is this beautiful little shaker was a gift, a Christmas gift from Maria, my sister-in-law and our in-house baker. So what I'm doing first is I'm dry shaking this because you want the eggs to emulsify, and if you put ice in there, they're not going to emulsify, they're not going to froth up.
Egg whites, not whole eggs.
I'm sorry, egg whites, not whole eggs. And I think Maria got me a trick shaker because it's dripping all over the place. Now we're going to add ice to chill this down. It's already really frothy in there. You can kind of see that. It's looking really nice. And I shake it about 17 seconds to chill it down.
Maybe 17 seconds? You tested this?
Exactly 17 seconds. I have an atomic clock on my wrist. Wow, look how frothy and pretty that looks. Now, like a classic whiskey sour back from the, back in the OG day, they would probably garnish it with a classic garnish would be an orange wheel and maraschino or maraschino cherries. Maraschino. So I'm using fancy little brandied cherries. And I'm also going, instead of an orange wheel, I'm going to do an orange twist. It's got a lot of flavor, and I think it looks really pretty and kind of elegant on top of the glass there. And you're getting a lot of orange flavor. If you twist it with the skin side down, all the oils go into the drink and gives it a little nice tartness. So here is our Jazz Hands cocktail.
Okay, Jazz Hands. I'm very nervous about brown liquors of any kind.
Cheers. It only has a very little bit of bourbon.
And I don't like sweet anything, but I'm gonna try. It smells nice.
Kind of tastes like an Italian pastry.
It's actually really good.
It's good.
I gotta give it to him.